Okay, I've got this half wine barrel and I'm going to turn it into a little patio pond. It's not sealed or anything, but it's had wine in it before. So I'm going to fill it up with water, and hopefully over the coming days as the timber expands, it's going to still hold water and I can turn it into a pond. Anyway, we'll see how we go. At the moment it leaks like a sieve. I'm going to go and soak it in a cattle trough, I think, for a couple of days instead of wasting all this water. Okay, I've got it soaking in an old cattle trough that we've got down here, so hopefully that'll expand the wood. We'll give it a test in I don't know, let's give it a test in a week. So I've had the barrel out of the trough for a few weeks now, and it's holding water beautifully, no leaks anywhere. So I'm going to use this and we'll build a filter and put that on top. Stay tuned. I've got a food safe tub here. This is going to be the filter. It'll sit up here. We'll make a nice box. Let's start on the box. Let's sit something like that. Make some covers over here. Drill a hole here for the overflow, and I'll have a little standpipe up, I think. Okay, I'll go do that. Okay, so I've got this bulkhead fitting that's going in here. The washers are going to form a seal. This will be sitting over the water anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's not super tight, but it should be. So I've got a hole saw just big enough to fit this threaded piece through. So I'll go ahead and get that done. I'm going to cut the long thread on the bulkhead. I want it shorter so that the water makes a splash as it goes back from the filter into the barrel. So I'll cut that. Holes in. I'm going to set this is a piece of 90mm pipe. It's going to act as a guard to stop the media going into here. I'm going to put this end cap, that'll sit there, so I'll put a hole in this so that it can go through the hole with the bulkhead fitting. And I'm going to drill holes just in the bottom half here to allow the solids to come through, and I'm going to have a standpipe here, so hopefully the solids will settle in the bottom and clean water will come up over the top. Anyway, I'll show you more when we get it done. Okay. I'll put one of the rubber seals on first, then this cap, that through like that, and then I'll put another washer and the seal on the bottom. Back soon. Here's the bottom. So if we ever need to drain it, we can just add this barb fitting onto there, connect a hose and empty the filter. I decided to glue the end cap to the guard piece of pipe before I drill it, just so that no one can lift it up and then all the media collapses in around the pipe. I just want to keep that guard in place. Okay, holes drilled to let the solids into the guard. So we'll go and set that in. Okay, the guard's in. Now that little piece of offcut that I had from the bulkhead is going to be perfect as a little standpipe. So I put that in there. So now the water has to come in from the bottom and rise up and then spill over through here to get back to the pond. So if I want to remove the solids, like I showed that barbed fitting at the bottom, all I have to do is remove that and that'll suck all the solids out that are trapped in here. That's going to be handy, I think. Just hooked up a little pump, giving it a test. Well, it's full and it's running nicely. Cool. So now we can neaten this box up. And put some media in. Okay, I thought I'd try some impatience up here in the filter. We'll see what happens. But right now I just want to show you how I can clean out the filter if need be. So I've hooked up a pipe, and that's, you won't be able to see it, but it's hooked up to the outflow from the filter. So at the moment the filter water's going out there, and if I have a build-up of solids down in here, I just unscrew the pipe and that'll suck it all out. Then obviously once I want it filling again, just put that standpipe back in. And it will start filling again. That's the plan. Here it is. I added a couple of extra plants up at the top there. Some white clad mountain minnows. Very happy with the water quality. Sounds good. I'd say it's a success. Anyway, hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. And good luck with your project.